the little camper that feels way bigger. That's the promise of the Bela Trendy 1, a compact motorhome that doesn't compromise on comfort, style, or real livability. From the moment you see it, this camper makes you question what's possible in a small footprint. Bela has crafted something unique here. Full motorhome features, clever design, and surprising space, all tucked into a size that's easy to drive, easy to park, and undeniably impressive. Step outside, and the Bela Trendy 1 immediately communicates sophistication and thoughtful engineering. Its length hovers around 5 meters, width just under 2 meters, and a height that keeps it drivable under most low bridges and urban overpasses. The compact dimensions make city driving and tight parking a breeze, a rare quality for a vehicle with this much onboard comfort. Bela has built the Trendy 1 on a durable, proven chassis, offering a stable and secure driving experience. Engine options provide enough punch for highway driving while maintaining efficiency for daily use. Automatic transmission keeps everything smooth and easy, while the suspension is tuned for both comfort and control. Steering is precise, and a low center of gravity gives it car-like agility, making long drives effortless and safe. The exterior design is minimal, elegant, and highly functional. Windows are strategically placed to flood the interior with natural light while maintaining privacy, and large, practical doors give access to storage compartments and living areas alike. Roof options include solar-ready panels and aerodynamic design that reduces drag, contributing to fuel efficiency. Storage is cleverly integrated. External lockers and underbody compartments maximize capacity without extending the footprint, and access to tanks and service points is thoughtfully designed for real-world convenience. Heating systems and insulation choices ensure the camper is usable year-round, while every hinge, seal, and material selection speaks to durability and premium quality. Even the paint finish has a subtle, understated elegance, hinting at the sophistication within. From every angle, the Bela Trendy 1 balances modern aesthetics with practical functionality. There are no unnecessary frills, yet it feels instantly premium. It's clear that every design decision, from the placement of windows to the curve of the roofline, was made to enhance usability, comfort, and style simultaneously. Driving it, you don't feel like you're piloting a tiny home. Instead, it feels more like an extension of your own mobility, a vehicle that adapts effortlessly to urban streets, winding country roads, and weekend destinations. The exterior is understated, but every detail is there for a reason, blending performance, practicality, and style. Step inside, and the Bela Trendy 1 continues to surprise. Despite its compact size, the interior immediately feels open, bright, and carefully designed. Materials are high quality, soft-touch surfaces blend with elegant cabinetry, and clever lighting creates warmth without overpowering the space. Insulation is exceptional, keeping the interior quiet, cozy, and temperate, even in extreme weather. Headroom is generous, so even taller adults can move comfortably. Seating is plush, yet supportive, designed for long drives and relaxed lounging alike. A convertible dining area accommodates meals, work, or socializing, making the most of every inch of space. Windows are positioned to maximize views, while subtle blinds and shades maintain privacy when needed. The kitchen layout is surprisingly complete. A compact countertop houses a functional sink, 2-burner stove, and efficient refrigerator. Storage drawers and cabinets are cleverly placed to hold utensils, cookware, and provisions without cluttering the workspace. Appliances are modern, reliable, and sized appropriately for the space, ensuring everyday usability without compromise. The bathroom is fully functional, offering a toilet, shower, and compact sink in a well-planned layout. Clever design ensures that even in tight quarters, you feel like you have a proper bathroom experience rather than a makeshift setup. Every panel, seal, and fixture has been thoughtfully selected for durability and ease of cleaning, reflecting a high-end approach to small space living. Sleeping areas are smartly configured. A fixed bed offers comfort without sacrificing space, while convertible areas allow additional sleeping options if needed. Storage above, below, and around sleeping areas ensures personal items have their place without encroaching on living space. Closets and overhead cabinets maximize utility, and innovative solutions, such as pull-out drawers and hidden compartments, show the attention to detail that defines the Trendy One. Onboard technology enhances both comfort and convenience. LED lighting, USB, and two 20V power outlets, and smart monitoring systems put control in your hands. Climate systems are efficient yet unobtrusive, and every switch, vent, and control panel has been designed for intuitive operation. It's an interior where every element feels intentional, polished, and practical. The overall atmosphere is calm and refined, with a layout that makes you forget the camper's small footprint. Whether cooking, relaxing, working, or sleeping, you feel the space was designed for real life, not just marketing pictures. It's a compact home that doesn't feel cramped, a testament to intelligent design and execution. This little camper does exactly what it promises. It's easy to drive, easy to park, and yet completely livable. Every material, fixture, and layout choice reflects a focus on quality, comfort, and long-term usability. For anyone seeking a premium compact motorhome, the Bela Trendy One proves that small can indeed feel extraordinarily big. Price-wise, the Bela Trendy One positions itself in the premium compact segment, reflecting both craftsmanship and innovation. Expect to find it starting in the upper mid-range for European markets, roughly around $44,000, depending on options and customization. It's not just a camper, it's an investment in smart, versatile living on the road. In the end, it's more than just clever design or a well-packed interior. The Bela Trendy One embodies a philosophy. Mobility doesn't have to mean sacrifice. Compact doesn't have to mean compromise, and small can still be extraordinary. It's a motorhome that promises freedom, comfort, and refinement, and then delivers every time.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and information about RVs, motorhomes, and life on the road.